All right, folks, we got us a fresh trade-in alert here. This is a 2015 Buick LaCrosse. We're going to start this out today so we can show you exactly how this sedan works here as well. You'll notice in the front grille part, we notice that's the normal standard there as well with the Hawkeye view. On top of that, you also have the breakaway mirrors, so actually easier to move just as well too for you. A little bit of a privacy glass as you go along. And we're going to take a look at the back and the trunk so we can show you exactly how much space you're working with for your family. All right, so we're going to do a little bit of steps here. You take a look in the back for this 2015 Buick LaCrosse. Again, spacious, very, very spacious. The seats even go down 60-40 split, and underneath as well, you'll be taken care of with the spare. Let's take a look in the back here. Not only will you notice the great accent in the inside, but you have a mixture between your leather and your cloth, with 2 cup holders in the back with extra leg room for the passengers, always in the back. If you take a look into the front again, not only do you have electronic parking sensor, backup camera, but you also have your cruise control. Any additional items too as well that can definitely help, I would love to go over with you. You've got to come take a look at this. All right, just the finishing touches here. Again, this is a certified pre-owned 2015 Buick LaCrosse that I would love for you to come down and see, test drive, get the feel of a smooth ride. I'm located right across the street from Walmart. We're at Delaney Honda. Address is 115 Lenz Road. Number to reach me is 724-717-1500. I'm looking forward to seeing you and your family come down and test drive this vehicle today.